Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Merrimack St Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2011 BMW 128i. Ironically, this is the first time I've ever driven a 1 Series. So, yeah. I have not driven a 1 Series until now. Good amount of trunk space. 230 horsepower from a 2-liter inline 6. Pretty darn cool car. Obviously, this is the same era where the 1M was produced. Not the M1, they already did that. The 1M. So yeah, this thing is pretty darn cool. And if you think about it, because the 3 Series has gotten so big, this is almost identical to the size of the original E30 M3, which is what made the 1M so good. In terms of driving dynamics, again, its size is its friend. Much like the Mini Coopers, because they're so small, that makes them so fun. This is a great little car. This one's only got 117,000 miles on it too, so very low mileage for the year. Actually very torquey. I'm pretty sure I've driven this engine in the 328i. But obviously, being a smaller car, you get a much better feel of the engine in this one. thing is with this car, everybody's right. This drives as I would think an old E30 would. I haven't tried an E30 yet. But it just shows that the 3 Series has gotten so big that this is really what the 3 Series was. And now, of course, the M2 has grown a bit from this. But no, I mean, this is like a little German Miata. I like it a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.